Super simple tortilla soup. This is the easiest tortilla soup you will ever make. Hi guys, I'm Shauna. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. So let's get cooking. Don't blink because I'll be finished before you know it. This is a recipe that my mom taught me years ago, and our family has used it over and over and over again. Everybody loves it. Everybody. So this is one for the books that you can cook when people come over, and it's simple, it's satisfying, and it's easy. So first we'll start with a can of kidney beans, black beans, and pinto beans. I've already drained them and rinsed them, so that goes right into the pot. Next, salsa verde. Just put that right into the pot. Four cups of vegetable broth, can be low sodium. Pour that right into the pot. A can of Rotel. I use the mild diced tomatoes with chili peppers, but you can even use regular tomatoes or fire roasted tomatoes. Taste really good in here. This is if you want a little kick of the heat, but if you don't like that or your guests aren't tolerant of that, stick with regular tomatoes. It tastes just as good to me. So that goes right into the pot. And one bag of frozen corn. Sometimes I double the corn up, but tonight I have one bag, so that's what I'm using. And then it's just all in the pot, ready to go. I stir it up. And then I add in my cumin powder. And it's about a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of cumin powder. Just sprinkle it in. Make sure it's all mixed up. And literally, that is it, you guys. You put it on the oven, bring it to a boil and simmer for 15 minutes, and then it's done. If you want to keep it on for a little bit longer, I notice with the canned beans, they're not as soft as I like. So I usually will cook it for a little longer. So I'm going to put it on the stove, bring it to a boil, and then put it down to simmer, and I'll meet you when it's all done. All right, the soup is boiling, so I'm turning it down. We just want a simmer. I'll turn it all the way down. I have it on a big burner. So yeah, just leave it simmering so it has a little bit of the bubbles. And I'll leave it like this for about 15, probably 20 minutes, just because I like the beans a little bit softer. And it should be finished. All right, super simple tortilla soup is all finished. It looks so good, you guys. I added a little bit of rice on top of mine. And I am going to dig in. The beans are so tender. Yummy. You get that little kick from the green chilies and the Rotel tomatoes. And I'm gonna have mine with super simple baked zucchini, a perfect starch solution dinner. So I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.